Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am going to explain VLOOKUP function in Excel. In the previous video we learned about HLOOKUP and today we are going to work with the VLOOKUP function. So here we have a file tasks.csv. So we open this file, then we need to insert a formula in current task column to look up the client. So in the current task column we need to look up at the client, and then we need to use the task code for the lookup value of the file clients.csv. So when you are getting data from other sheet like clients.csv we have right now, in this client file we have the task code and the client detail. So one is for root trainer, second one is for some other purpose, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. So what we need to get here, we need to make sure that we use both absolute and relative reference to get the value. So we need to get to the main task sheet. We need the current task here by looking at the code. So very simple, we just use here a function equal to VLOOKUP and bracket start. Why I am going to use VLOOKUP function? Because this time my data source that available at the moment, it is in columns, in column 1, column 2, not row wise. So that's why equal to VLOOKUP, then bracket start, the lookup value. So this is the lookup value, it should look at the code and then we get the current task, and comma table array. So just go to the table, this is the one, select this one, table array. You see absolute reference is already applied, then just put a comma and then they mention here column index. So if even you stay in the same sheet, doesn't matter, you continue your function. Column index is 2 because in column 1 I have code, in column 2 I have client detail. So that's why I mentioned here column 2, then comma, I need the exact match. So I need to type here either false or I can just simply say 0 and then the bracket close. And when I press the enter button, it will take me to the original file, the task. So I got for task code 6, I got LGY. So when I double click here to replicate the function for the other cells as well, so it will replicate successfully. So this is how we use the VLOOKUP function. First of all, the lookup value, then the array, and then the column index, and then 0. So that's all from the VLOOKUP function. So hope you have learned how to use the VLOOKUP function. So thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.